Did you know that a recent solar flare event might have a significant impact on Earth? Yes, a powerful X5 class solar flare was detected in the last days of 2023, and it's expected to lead to a geomagnetic storm here on our planet. But what exactly are solar flares and geomagnetic storms, and how do they affect us? Well, solar flares are sudden, powerful bursts of radiation that occur on the sun's surface. They're caused by the twisting and sudden release of magnetic energy within the sun's atmosphere. Imagine a rubber band being twisted and twisted until it suddenly snaps. That's very similar to what happens during a solar flare. Now these flares are classified into 3 categories: C, M, and X, with X-class flares being the most powerful. The recent one detected was an X5 class flare, the most potent since 2017. These flares can be so powerful that they disrupt Earth's magnetic field, affecting satellites, communication equipment, and even power grids. But that's not all. The aftermath of a solar flare, known as a coronal mass ejection, can cause something called a geomagnetic storm on Earth. These storms occur when the ejection of plasma and magnetic field from the sun's corona reaches our planet, causing a temporary disturbance in the Earth's magnetosphere. The arrival of a coronal mass ejection can accelerate charged particles down Earth's magnetic field lines, resulting in the beautiful phenomenon we know as the Northern Lights. However, while these lights can be stunning to look at, the impact of a geomagnetic storm on our infrastructure can be detrimental. Historical events like the storm in Quebec in 1989 demonstrate how vulnerable our power grids can be. In today's world, where our dependence on technology is increasing, a major solar storm could have significant effects. Now, this recent solar flare is part of a cycle known as Solar Cycle 25. This cycle indicates an increase in the frequency and intensity of solar flares and geomagnetic storms. As we're nearing the peak of this cycle in 2024 and 2025, we can expect more frequent and intense events, leading to more spectacular displays of the Northern Lights, especially in the Northern Hemisphere. But it's not all doom and gloom. Our understanding and ability to predict solar storms have improved significantly, allowing us to take measures to protect our homes and infrastructure. Continuous monitoring of solar dynamics is crucial for timely storm forecasts and allows us to prepare for these events better. In conclusion, solar flares and geomagnetic storms are fascinating yet potentially threatening phenomena. They remind us of the immense power of our sun and the delicate balance that exists in our solar system. While they can lead to stunning displays of the Northern Lights, they can also disrupt our technology and infrastructure. As we approach the peak of Solar Cycle 25, understanding and preparing for these events becomes even more critical. After all, knowledge is power, and it's our best defense against the unpredictable forces of nature.